Assalamu alaikum, we meet again, and today I have brand new idea. Lately I have noticed that I'm traveling a lot throughout Italy, and I decided to make a new segment in which I rate the food in the restaurants. So in today's video I have two restaurants and two kinds of cuisines, and we will see which one will win. So hang on. It's gonna be a bumpy ride. Many stuff happened since last night, and well, just to say the least, it was a very difficult night. Starting from the airport. I arrived to the airport and there were no trains, there were no direct trains into the station. Termini. So we had to take a train with a change, and when I arrived to the station where I need to change to take the other train, there was no other train. So I was blocked and I had no money at all in my pocket.
Ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
I met a guy, fortunately, and he was like he didn't understand any word that I was saying, but when he asked me in English, are you an Arab? And I said, yes, أيوة. And he said, oh, أنا عراقي, I'm from Iraq. And I was like, okay. And then we waited together for the train, but the train never came, and we had to take a taxi. Luckily, his hotel was next to mine, and I went with them. And when I arrived to the hotel, I was shocked because it was closed. Next to Termini, next to the station. But I was saved by this gentleman here. This is my savior. This is my buddy.
Oh, it's me.
Yeah.
I'm so sorry.
Yeah, thank you.
I thought there's someone else.
Thank you for saving me and not letting me sleep outside in the street. I arrived here and he offered me dinner. He offered me a very good dinner. He cooked salmone, and there was another guy who cooked risotto, so it was a very good combination. And as a reward for him and for his generosity, I made something tonight for him.
Thank you.
I made this. If you know it, put it in the comment down below. And I made the Yemeni tea, of course. This is Yemeni tea with milk. We're going to Alibaba. And this is a Syrian restaurant. You can see. Buongiorno. Here. أهلين بكم. Welcome back. We are now in Alibaba and we ordered the food. In a little bit the food will arrive and I will taste it. There will be also the shish kebab, which is also mixed. And based on that I will evaluate this place with spoons, as always. So welcome to this episode of Tasty or Not.
sambusa.
Okay. Due le falafel. Okay.
Sambusa, casasole con formaggio.
Oh. Now the appetizers arrived, and well, I'm gonna evaluate them. This is ورق العنب, and this is kibbeh, sambusa, garlic, hummus, and falafel. I tasted the hummus, and it's a little bit salty, but it's delicious. I tasted the falafel, the kibbeh, and it surely needs more meat inside. And I haven't tasted this, but all in all, I evaluate this 3 spoons. So, finally, kebab arrived. So, let's take this portion and creamy. The rice is cooked well. The texture in the mouth is good. Also the taste. So I give this 4 out of 5 because nothing is perfect. 4 out of 5 is very good. So in total, I give this restaurant 4 spoons. So we are here in this restaurant called Margherita. Okay, it's in the middle of Rome, and in a little bit we will order the food, and guess what? I will rate it. So if the food is good, it's gonna be 5 spoons. If it's not good, it's gonna be 2 spoons. Mozzarella in carrozza, crocchette di patate. And now the first dish arrived, and it's salmone with pistachio on the top, and pomodori and broccoli. So we are going to taste this and evaluate it. So let's jump into it. And it's so soft. I noticed that the texture is soft, so I don't know if that's a good sign, but let's taste it. We don't judge by the appearance. Okay? 1, 2, 3. It wasn't so clear. Okay, let's taste it. This time I will take everything in the spoon. Bismillah. This one could be better. I mean, there isn't the the taste that I'm used to in the salmon. There isn't the taste of the lemon and the other stuff. But this way is good. Don't get me wrong. But it's not the usual taste for me. So for me, I rate this. So for me, I rate this 3 spoons, okay? 3 spoons, not more. Finally, I'm back in Milan, and this is our last stop for today's video. Thank you for watching, and remember, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. That would help a lot. Until the next time, stay safe.